Dapat sa Senado muna siya ma-detain para makaharap sa hearing sa Lunes. Ginagalang ko ang karapatan ng judiciary na maglabas ng warrant. Pero ang Senado ang may pinakaunang arrest warrant laban sa kanya. Ang Senado ang nag-trigger ng manhunt. Senate warrant ang bitbit ng ating law enforcers sa Jakarta. Malinaw din sa Korte Suprema, in the case of Binay versus Sandigan Bayan, that criminal cases against municipal mayors fall within the exclusive jurisdiction of the Sandigan Bayan. Bakit po kaya Tarlac Court ang nag-issue? At bakit siya dinala sa Tarlac? Hiniling ko na kay General Angkan ng OSAA na sumunod doon para ma-monitor ang mga pangyayari doon. Kaya pagkatapos siyang i-process ng NBI o PNP, kailangan ma-turn over na siya sa OSAA. That was clear from the very start, and that was the commitment of NBI Director Santiago. Ngayon, kung si Guo Huaping ay di magpiyansa, ibig sabihin mas gusto pa niya makulong sa PNP kaysa sa Senate. We need to ask why. Why does she want to be in a jail more than in the Senate detention facility?
Pero higit pa doon, yung question ng identity. Dahil proven na ng NBI at proven na ng isa pang ahensya na Alice Guo at Guo Huaping, iisang tao lang kayo. At yun yung patuloy na pinagsisinungalingan mo sa komiteng ito. Therefore, the chair is citing Alice Guo alias Guo Huaping in contempt as seconded by Senator Joel. At na yung fingerprints na iyon ni Guo Huaping at ni Alice Guo were expressed by one and the same person. Do you have the supporting document na ginamit ng NBI para dito? Para ipakita ulit. Dahil pinakita na natin dati kay Alice Guo. Miss Alice, extraordinary ito. Kayo lang yung naalala kong resource person na ipapakita namin pa ulit-ulit ang mga dokumento sa iyo. Dapat naman siguro suklian mo yung komite na magsabi ka na ng totoo. Hindi ka going the extra mile ang komite, pero kasi malaliman pa rin ang sinusukli nyo. Comsec, do you have the supporting document on it para i-project ito sa ating monitor? Yung ginamit ng NBI to come to this.
She's obviously playing around, Madam Chair. We have given her enough time, so many chances, Madam Chair. I have never seen a witness na ganito karami yung chance na binibigay natin magsabi ng katotohanan. Pero kung ayaw talaga, Madam Chair, she has to face the music.
Agree, Sen Joel. But Comsec, i-flash po natin please yung passport ni Guo Huaping para masagot niya yung one more chance na tanong ng minority leader. That matter will be deliberated. We have a pending citation in contempt by the chair, seconded by Sen Joel. And so Alice, one last chance. Dito sa pinapakita namin ulit na passport, page ng passport mo. Sagutin mo yung tanong ni Sen Coco, ikaw ba ito?
Madam Chair, ako po si Alice Guo po.
No, hindi yan ang tanong ko sa inyo. Ang tanong ko po ay, meron kang monitor sa harap mo, kita mo yung page ng passport. Kayo ba yan sa photo na yan? Asking yung pangalan nyo. Alam na namin, Guo Huaping. Ito ba ay ikaw?
Madam Chair, meron pong pending case po sa akin po.
You answer. All right, you are not taking the many one last chances na binibigay ng committee ito sa iyo. You are denying your identity as Guo Huaping.
Pero i-clarify ko lang po yung nakita ko po kanina sa monitor po. Yung signature po, akin po yung signature, pero hindi ko po alam kung bakit andyan po yung signature
Hindi
ko
na
po.
ako nagtatanong doon. Hindi na ako nagtatanong ng Guo Huaping. Hindi na ako nagtatanong kasi klarong-klaro sa akin. Hindi po pwedeng doktorin yung fingerprints mo.
Her name is Alice Guo. She's another suspected Chinese spy. In 2022, she became the mayor of a small town in the Philippines, a town called Bamban. After that, there were reports of illegal scam centers. Both locals and foreign nationals were abducted and held at these centers, at these locations. They were forced to scam people online. Earlier this year, this town was raided. The investigations revealed Guo's link to the scam centers. Reports say that these centers were built on land that she partially owned. This caused an uproar. Alice Guo was questioned by the country's Senate. That's when discrepancies started to show up. Guo's birth certificate was registered when she was 17 years old. She only registered to vote in Bamban town in 2021, just a year before she was elected mayor. She could not tell the Senate where she grew up. She said she did not remember. This raised a lot of eyebrows. The Philippines accused her of being a Chinese spy. They said her fingerprints matched those of another individual, a Chinese national named Guo Huaping. So in the month of July, the Senate ordered her arrest, but by then she had fled the country. She made her way to Indonesia and then onwards to Malaysia and Singapore. It's been a few months, but Alice Guo has finally been caught in Indonesia. She will be extradited to the Philippines. So hopefully we'll find out the truth about her identity soon enough.